Picture this. It is a hot Saturday afternoon. You've just finished washing and waxing your vehicle, and the paint looks like liquid glass. You've just gotten back from a quick drive, but as you pop the hood to check your fluids, you see a layer of grease, dust, and grime blanketing the engine bay. You already have the garden hose in your hand. You think to yourself, what's the harm in a quick rinse? Stop right there. Drop the hose. This split-second decision is one of the most destructive mistakes a car owner can make. While you drive, your engine is a contained explosion. It generates massive amounts of heat, often pushing internal combustion temperatures well above 1,500 degrees, while external engine components like the exhaust manifold can easily reach temperatures between 600 degrees and 1,000 degrees. When you spray a stream of 70 degrees water directly from your garden hose onto these superheated, highly pressurized components, you are forcing a violent physical reaction. You are initiating a war between extreme heat and rapid cooling, and the metal in your engine is caught right in the crossfire. To understand why this is so dangerous, we have to look at the principles of automotive metallurgy and thermodynamics. When engine metals, primarily cast iron and cast aluminum, heat up, their atomic structures expand. When they cool down, they contract. Under normal circumstances, this heating and cooling happens gradually. But when you douse a hot engine with cold water, you cause a phenomenon known as thermal shock. Think of taking a hot glass baking dish straight out of the oven and throwing it into a sink full of cold water. What happens? It shatters instantly. The exact same physics apply to your engine block. Because the water cools the outside surface of the metal almost instantly, the exterior rapidly shrinks. However, the inside of the metal is still incredibly hot and expanded. This uneven contraction creates immense microscopic stress that tears the metal apart. The disastrous outcomes of thermal shock include cracked engine blocks. The foundational structure of your engine splits, mixing oil and coolant, requiring a complete engine replacement. Warped cylinder heads. The flat seal holding your engine's compression together warps like a potato chip, causing massive internal leaks. Fractured exhaust. Manifolds. The sudden chill physically snaps the thick metal pipes that channel exhaust gases away from the engine. Engines are no longer just mechanical hunks of metal. Modern vehicles are essentially rolling supercomputers. Spraying water onto a hot engine bay doesn't just threaten the metal, it acts as an executioner for your vehicle's sensitive electrical architecture. When water hits a 600 degrees engine component, it instantly vaporizes into rapidly expanding high-pressure steam. This is the hidden killer. While liquid water might safely bounce off a plastic electrical cover, high-pressure steam acts like a gas, penetrating deep into places water normally cannot reach. This steam violently forces moisture past the rubber seals of weather pack connectors, seeps into spark plug wells, and heavily condensates inside delicate sensors. The results are immediate and devastating: alternator death. Cold water or steam shocking the hot copper windings, an internal voltage regulator of the alternator will short it out, killing your car's charging system. Misfires. Water trapped in spark plug wells blocks the electrical current from igniting the fuel, causing the engine to violently shudder and misfire. Total ECU failure. Your electronic control unit, the brain of your car, can suffer fatal short circuits if steam forces moisture onto its motherboard. Thinking about risking a quick spray? Here is the estimated financial damage of what this quick fix can cost you at the mechanic's shop. Cracked engine block, $4,000 to $10,000 plus. Warped cylinder head. Blown gasket, $1,500 to $3,000. Fried engine control unit, ECU, $1,000 to $2,500. Destroyed alternator, $400 to $800. Total cost of Impatience, a potentially totaled vehicle. You don't have to live with a dirty engine bay, but you do need to clean it intelligently. If you want a spotless engine without the risk of destroying thousands of dollars worth of machinery, follow this step-by-step master mechanic's guide. 1. Let the engine cool completely. Patience is your greatest tool. Always detail your engine in the morning before it has been driven, or wait at least 3 to 4 hours after driving until the engine is entirely cool to the touch. It must be at the ambient temperature of the air around you. 2. Bag and protect sensitive electronics. Take a few plastic grocery bags and rubber bands to shield the critical vulnerabilities. You must tightly cover the alternator, the air intake, filter box, the ECU, fuse box, any exposed wiring harnesses or alarm systems. 3. Apply an engine-specific degreaser. Instead of relying on the brute force of high-pressure water, let chemistry do the heavy lifting. Spray a high-quality automotive-safe foaming degreaser onto the dirty, greasy areas. Let it sit and penetrate the grime for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Agitate with detailing brushes. Use a soft, bristled detailing brush to manually scrub the caked-on grease. This physical agitation loosens the dirt without the need for a blast from a garden hose. 5. Rinse with a gentle mist or damp cloth. Never use a pressure washer or a heavy stream of water. Instead, use a spray bottle filled with water, or turn your garden hose to the absolute gentlest mist setting. Even better, simply wipe away the broken-down grease using a series of damp microfiber towels. 6. Dry thoroughly. Once clean, remove the plastic bags. Use compressed air, a leaf blower, or dry microfiber towels to remove standing water from the nooks and crannies. Finally, start the engine and let it run for 10 minutes. The gentle, natural buildup of engine heat will safely evaporate any remaining moisture. A gleaming engine bay is a fantastic point of pride, but achieving it shouldn't cost you the engine itself. Remember the golden rule of automotive thermodynamics. Extreme heat and cold water are mortal enemies. By understanding the severe risks of thermal shock to metal components and the vulnerability of modern electrical systems to high-pressure steam, you are arming yourself against the most common detailing mistakes. Take your time, let the engine cool, use the proper tools, and respect the intricate machinery under your hood. Always remember, a few hours of patience is exponentially cheaper than a full engine rebuild.